is Noah from Noah's Tour Review. Today I'm going to be reviewing called Explorer Kit. Stay tuned. Let's open it. This is from Prime again. This is from Prime again. Let's go open it. What the heck? This is definitely a Explorer. Now let's open it. Oh, yeah, I opened it from here. Let's rip it open. I got it, kids. What the heck? It comes with a little box.
What's inside the box?
A little bag? Okay, let's open the box. Wow. So let's go ahead and open this box. Oh, we got some bubble wraps. Oh, what is this? What is this? What is this, Mom? Is this the first time? Yes, it is! I can see in the dark now. Okay. And then you got a little of this. Wow, that's so cool. This is maybe my favorite.
That's a magnifying glass?
Magnifying glass? Ooh. What the heck is here? Oh my gosh, it looks weird. It looks weird now. How about this bag? The bag doesn't look weird. I love this one. Okay, now the whistle. We got the whistle. Now let's open the whistle. And the sure did pretty good. Let's see what the whistle sound like. How do you do this? How do you blow this, Mom?
You gotta move that stuff around from it so you can blow it.
Oh.
Now blow. Other side. Other side.
Check.
Yeah.
Open this bag to see what's inside the bag.
Those look like your goggles.
Wow! Oh, and this move.
Turn around.
Around like this.
No, other side. No,
Hey.
other side.
The other side, this one.
Look at the little side. Just flip it backward, upside down.
Like this. This.
Like this.
Like this.
Now turn them around. Look at the other end.
This
There
one?
you go.
Oh, that's cool.
That's your Explorer Kit.
Ooh. Here's my Explorer Kit, and I go with some animals. No, where are you? Ah, I see his face! Ah, he's running away! Ah! Whew, that was a close one. That's oh, I see a cute bear. I see a panda. I see eagle.
Show everybody your pockets. In your pockets, what you got.
I got some flashlight. You see in the dark. Ooh. Good flashlight. I know I got a flashlight. Whoa! Oh! Oh! I see a lion. Ah, it's running away. Ah! Okay. Lion's off. Now let's try the whistle. Whistle. Oh, I see a spider! Oh, I see a spider! Okay. Ooh, I see an ocean there. Ooh. That's a nice little ocean.
What about your binoculars? Yeah, and there, your binoculars. Those you can see things very far away. You can spot some lions. Other side.
Oh,
Turn them around like this.
like that? Oh my gosh, I see that cactus. Oh my gosh, I see that thing over there. It's like looks like the end of the, maybe the woods. It's easy to see. What is this? What is this for? What is this for? Okay, now I can see so far. I can see that camera there. Ooh, I see the woods. I see the trees. Okay. If you're done with these, you put those back in your bag. You know what this thing reminds me? It reminds me of my mailman.
Reminds you of the mailman.
Yeah, that's what's in mine. That's what's the bag mine. Okay. So if you're interested in this product, I'll leave all the details in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to check me out, Noah Nation Adventures, and you'll see the mouse. Click on that red subscribe button, that notification button, and thanks for
So don't forget to check me out at NoahNationAdventures.com.
Thanks for watching, and I'm gonna wish you. Thanks for watching.